Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Oh My Gizmo. I'm Shadab Akhtar Rabbani and today I'll be taking you through the detailed review and things I missed out on the unboxing video of OnePlus 6T. I've been using the phone for the past 20 days and I have things to share with you. This comes with a 3700 mAh battery and it takes almost an hour to charge from less than 10% to go to 100% charge. With normal usage, the battery lasts over 12 hours and with heavy usage that includes gaming, the battery lasts around 8 hours. On standby mode, it lasts over 24 hours with lesser screen time. Talking about the performance, with 845 Snapdragon, it's one of the fastest Android phones available in the market now. And we'll test it with the Pubsey gaming experience. So the game is being played on the HDR mode and as you can see the graphics are really good on the phone. Now we're playing the Pubsey Mobile on the HDR mode, that is the highest graphic standards available on the game. And as you can see there is no lag and it makes up for an really good gaming performance and gaming experience on this phone. So after a couple of games, phone does show a little bit of heat. You can feel it when you're holding it. And now we can move on to the performance of the phone. I'll show you how fast the apps work. This is how fast each app pops out. This is Zomato app or the Instagram app or the Twitter. That's how fast it is, how quick it reacts. Also flipping through apps, this is how quick it is. It's one of the best Android experience you'll get on a smartphone. Moving on to the camera, we have a 16 megapixels primary rear camera and 20 megapixel secondary camera, and the front camera is 16 megapixels. And also the OnePlus 6T comes with a nightscape long exposure mode for photography under dim lights or lesser lights. Shooting modes available are the auto mode and the manual mode, also the portrait mode that takes the depth into effect, and the panorama mode. For video shooting, it's fairly regular with the time lapses and the slow-mo shooting. We can also access the Google Lens from the same shooting UI, and we can adjust the aspect ratio and the flash. Also we can set the timer. So the camera quality isn't as premium as other features on the phone, especially on the nightscape mode. The photographs that come out are not as consistent as they should have been. So the camera lags a bit over there. Call quality is really good with the sound clarity with both the microphone and the speaker. Also we'll test the speaker, how it works on this one. The left one is the speaker at the bottom of the phone. Also, I'm going to tell you about some of the cool features on the phone that includes the alert slider and the quick gestures. In the alert slider, we can go from the ring mode to the vibrate mode and to the silent mode with just a slide. And the quick gesture gives us a lot of options like the 3-finger screenshot, and we can answer calls by gesture. Now we take the screenshot with a 3-finger gesture. Here is your screenshot. Now speaking about the storage, this phone is the 8GB 128GB variant. So out of the 128 GBs, around 10 GB goes in the systems and the system applications. If you have the OnePlus 6, I don't think you need to upgrade to the 6T because a lot of features from OnePlus 6T are now made available on the OnePlus 6. With the updates coming in like the Android Pie and the nightscape mode has been made available on the 6. If you don't have the 6, you should go for the 6T. Also now that Amazon has made OnePlus 6 6GB 64GB variant unavailable on its website, it's better to put in those 3Ks extra and get 64GB of extra space. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates and videos. We have more gadgets coming in. Keep watching Oh My Gizmo.